Hello, my dear students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe and you are enjoying and studying also at your home. So, in previous video, we have discussed about an introductory part of the noun. Yes? Yes. In this video, we are going to discuss about types of nouns. Here, many types of nouns. We are going to discuss here by activity method. So let's start our topic, types of noun. But on screen you are seeing something has written conversation. What is this? And they are talking something, and you listen carefully what they are talking. Okay, here their madam is also here, and she is asking something to them, and they are confused and they are giving the answer also. We don't know are they right or wrong, so you have to listen carefully what they are talking. Hello Sonu and Pari. Hello ma'am. Do you know what is noun? Hmm. So you have seen here, madam is asking something, but they both are confused. Now they are talking to each other and discuss. So see carefully what they are talking. Hello Sonu. Hello Pari. Do you know about noun? Madam is asking. Yes, Pari. Name of the person is a noun. You called me by my name. No, no. I think name of the place is a noun. Ha ha ha. Name of the thing is a noun. No, my answer is correct. No, no, mine is correct. So you have seen here, they both are talking to each other about noun, and they don't know who is correct, who is wrong. So what madam is telling? Wait, my dear students, don't fight. Yippee! Now they both are happy because they have given the answers, but they don't know are they correct or not. So madam told them they both are correct. So I think you also revised the previous topic noun. So let's discuss what they are talking now. Yes, I remember that noun song. So you all children, did you remember that song we had discussed in previous video? Can you tell me? So let's sing that song to revise noun. Are you ready? You also sing with their children.
A noun is the name of a person, place or thing. Feelings or ideas, all are naming. A noun is the...
So you have heard this song in previous video. Now you all understood about noun. But here we are going to discuss about types of nouns. So inside of the house also, outside of the house also, everywhere are nouns. You can observe in your room, you can observe out of the room. Your parents are here, your friends are here, your siblings are here. Many things you use daily, they all are nouns. Discuss about the types of noun. Common noun. Here first name of the types of noun is common noun. Next one, proper noun, collective noun, material noun, and abstract noun. So here 5 major parts of the noun. All 5 parts are important. So we will discuss in this video 2 parts of the noun. First one, common nouns. Next one, proper nouns. Here we are going to start about conversation about this common and proper noun while comparison to each other. We will compare to common noun from proper noun. Okay. So let's see the picture. Can you tell me what is this? Boy. Who is he? Boy. And boy, everywhere we call boy to every child who is just liking it. Okay. It is a general and common name of the person. If you are staying in India, if you are staying out of the India, everywhere we call boy. So it is a general to all. It is a general, or we can say common name of the person. Okay. But if we give the name to him, just like Raju, what we gave the name? Raju. Okay. So it is the special name of. But some of the boy can be Raju. But here one boy is standing and who has his special name called Raju. And you are watching something here. This boy starts with the small letter, and here Raju starts with capital letter. So you observe this one also in all the pictures. Next one, can you tell me what is this? Yes, school. But nowadays you are not going to school, you are studying at home due to this pandemic situation. After this you can go to school easily. So here what you are watching, it is a common name of the place. It is a common name of the place. School is a place, you all know about it. We had discussed in previous video. So it is a common name to all. School, we all say school. Okay. But if we gave the name KV Adur, okay, we have given the name KV Adur. So it has a special name of the school. Okay. So here what you are watching, school starts with a small letter and KV Adur K starts with a capital letter. So school, it is common name of the place, and here KV Adur, it has a special name of the school. Every school we cannot say KV Adur. Okay. So all school has their specific name. Watching the video you are using this, I think. So can you tell me what is this? Mobile. This is mobile. So mobile, it is a general or common name of the thing. It is a thing and it is the general thing and common name of the thing. Every person, everybody say mobile to this gadget. So here you are watching, mobile starts with the small letter. But if we give some name to this mobile, just like Samsung. Samsung is a brand. Samsung is a company who is launching the different types of mobile. So it has a special name of the mobile. Okay. Every mobile cannot be a Samsung mobile. Somebody has Nokia mobile. Somebody has Vivo mobile. Okay. So but here it is Samsung mobile. So it has a special name of the mobile. So what you are watching here, Mobile starts with a small letter, and Samsung, which is special name, it starts with a capital letter. Okay, you all are watching this? Yes, just remember in your mind also. Who, what is the general or common name, and what is the special name of the person, place, or whatever. Next one, who is he? Can you tell me? Sometimes you see it in streets, sometimes he is having at your home. So dog, what is this? Dog. Animal, so it is the general or common name of the animal. Okay, in every place, at every place, people say dog. But if we gave a special name, if we gave a name to him, just like gypsy. Gypsy, uh, I want to tell you, 10 or 15 years before, we have a small puppy whose name was Gypsy. That's why I wrote here Gypsy, because sometimes I miss him also. So it has a special name of the dog. No, every dog cannot be Gypsy. Somebody has another different name, but here dog has special name whose name is Gypsy, and Gypsy start with a capital letter. Here dog starts with a small letter. So what we observed here in all the pictures, general name, general means common, which is common to all, at every place, for every person, which is common to all. So it is general name of a what? Person. You are watching a picture here. He is a person. Place, just like this. Thing, many things you use, just like mobile. Animal, just like puppy or dog. Okay, so general name of a person, place, thing, and animals are called what? Common nouns. We had discussed in previous clips all common are having their general name. So it's all about common nouns. What about special name? We all are having special name. Many children are seeing this video, but every children have their special name. Okay, just like if I discuss about my name is Taruna Sharma. So here many Taruna Sharma is not here. Okay, so special name of a person, place, thing, animal. Just like person name is Raju, name of the place is Keviadur, name of the thing is Nokia, name of the animal is Tommy. In previous clip we gave the name of this dog what? Did you remember? Gypsy. Here we gave the name Tommy. Okay, so special name of a person, place, thing, and animal is called proper nouns. They all are having their special names, and all special names related to proper nouns. So what is the meaning of proper nouns? Proper nouns are having special name of the person, place, thing, or animals. I think you all understood about it. What is common and what is proper? Proper are having all special names, different types of special name of the person, place, thing, animals. Okay, at your house many that is called proper nouns, but here only two category, just like boy and girl. Okay, mother and father, but all are having their special names. So what are the facts to remember about common nouns? Can you tell me what are the facts to remember? What did you observe in previous clips? Common nouns. From this word we can identify easily. What are the common nouns? Common, all common nouns, you can see here, all common nouns are common to all, at every place, for every person. Okay, so all common nouns are common to all. We cannot change that. All common nouns start with a small letter, just like that dog, D-O-G. So D, that dog started with a small letter, and his name started with a capital letter. But here we are going to discuss about common nouns. So all common nouns are common to all, and all common nouns start with a small letter. So in other words we can say common nouns are general name. All common nouns are general name of a person, place, thing and animals. Okay. And what are the facts to remember about proper noun? Can you think? Yes, proper means which is proper. Just like all proper nouns have its just like if we discuss about Taj Mahal. So in overall India only one Taj Mahal is there. So it has a special name. But in another word, what can you say of that? Can you think? Monuments. Okay. But here all over India many monuments are here. But we discussed about Taj Mahal. So Taj Mahal is the name of a specific place. Okay. So here all proper nouns start with a capital letter, just like your names. Okay. All names start with a capital letter. You didn't start your name with a small letter. Okay. Just remember in your mind this fact. In another words, we can say that proper nouns are having special names. Proper nouns are having special names of a person, places, things or animals. Okay. If you have any doubt, you can ask in comment box, or you can ask me in live chat also. You can easily ask. So now here we are going to discuss about more examples of common nouns and proper nouns also. Common and proper nouns. Okay. So here you are watching, we have to compare from common to proper. So how will you compare common to proper? On first word you are watching fruit. What is this? Fruit. But you are eating many types of fruit, but teacher, many teachers we have, maths teacher, English teacher, Hindi teacher. Okay, but here what has written? Teacher, and one specific name is there. Next one, boy. Some boy are watching this video, some girls are watching this video, but here one name is here, special name, Ali. So those have special names, that is called proper noun, and those are having common names, that is called common nouns. Next one, book. Many books you read, yes or no? But here what we are going to discuss about? Story books. Next one, city. But here one name of the city is there, that is special name. Next one, biscuit. You all eat biscuit, somebody is liking the biscuit. Okay, so Here one special name, Oreo. Most of the children like Oreo. Do you like Oreo biscuit? Yes, I also like Oreo biscuit. Next thing, car. Most of the children, most of the people are using the car nowadays. But here, car word is common to all. All are having car. Most of the children are having car. Most of the people are having car. But here, Honda City. Okay, somebody has Honda City. Somebody has different types of car. Next one, shoe. Daily you wear shoes. Daily you wear shoes. But here, yes, teacher. I have written my name here, Madam Taruna. So, can you tell me Madam Taruna is a proper noun or common noun? Madam Taruna is common to all? No. My name is special name. I have special name. And teachers are everywhere. But your Taruna madam is in Delhi. Okay. So next thing. This is an activity time. You have to match the common noun with proper nouns. How will you match the common nouns with proper nouns? Before that, you must understand about this concept about common nouns and proper noun. Okay? So let's discuss about it. How will you match? How will you do this? On first side, left side, you are watching many words are here. Okay? Just like day, continent, river, festival, book, state, tree, flower and room. On the other side, you are watching different types of name. But one thing did you remember? This side, all names start with a small letter. And on the other side, all names start with the capital letter. So how will you do? You have to match. Just like day. You all know about day, name of the days. But what is the day today? Thursday. Okay. So Thursday is the special name. How many days we have? 7. Proper noun. It has a special name. So we have to match day to Thursday. Just like that, you will do this exercise. Okay? I hope you all understood about common nouns and proper nouns also. If you have any doubt, so you can ask to me at any time in comment box or in live chat while watching the video. In next video, we'll discuss about rest of the nouns. Okay, just like we had discussed 5 types of nouns, but after this, in next video, we are going to discuss about rest of the types of nouns. Okay. Till then, thank you so much. Safe, feel safe, and be ready for the next video soon.